Hello friends. So today's a weird video because I decided suddenly, laying in bed last night, that I want to recreate some iconic high school, middle school, childhood photos. I saw the Sorry Girls do this and it was great. And also Emmy, if she would show herself, is my camera girl today, which is great. You'll see some actually okay shots. So
I'll try.
We're thrifting this stuff. Hopefully. We're trying to find it. And I will put up pictures of the looks we're going for and if we actually accomplish them, but we're gonna go in and try to do this. So it'll be a journey. Actual arrows. Perfect. Except I had the heart and the scalloped hem, but this is very much a possibility. So, good.
That's Athena. Nothing.
Scientist.
I don't know, I was gonna say that top one's kind of a look.
A little rough. Gotta pick this one. Like, we have to do that and that and that. Yes. This is me. Very me. Yes. Okay, so I paid $10.72. Our cashier was Gary at our first thrift store where I got all of these stuff, I think, for my little kid look. And I'm gonna show you the final decision. You guys kind of saw it. We got this pink butterfly hoodie and people are getting in their car next to me. And it is literally an Airpaw style hoodie. The zipper's broken, but we'll work with it. And it's got this
authentic
butterfly and it's very fleece. The guy asked me if I thought it was winter. It is like 80 something degrees today, so it's very hot. So that. And then we got these really great denim shorts with a tie on the front. I feel like this is very me for the early 2000s. Probably wasn't good with buttons as a small child, just a guess. It's from Express Blues. And it's just a look. It's got cargo pockets. It's also a skirt with not a short. A skirt? It's
a skirt?
It's not a skirt, it's just a skirt. But I said shorts.
It's fine.
But it looks like shorts, but it's a skirt.
It's fine.
And then we went with this blue shirt. It's gonna be so tight on me. I didn't even try it on. But it is from Sri Lanka. But it was just the right color blue and the circle cut. It doesn't have the scalloped edges, but it's fine. It's very accurate and it's gonna make a good look. So we're moving on to the next store to find something else. I'm wondering what kind of shirt should I put underneath?
I forgot which look we're doing.
Like Hello Kitty look.
Isn't it a white jacket?
Yeah, it's a white jacket.
What pants are you wearing? Did you figure that out yet?
We're gonna look for some really light blue ones. Very
So old acid wash jeans. I hate this. Okay. Well, okay, let's start it. Horrifying, thank you. Stop. Will you relax? You get out of here. Just don't touch anything else.
Yeah, so change of plans. This is a high school look. I literally had this exact pair of jeans. So we're getting these. And also I just like the skirt. So we're getting that.
I'm gonna be honest, I've never heard of Old Lady Divas.
Old Navy.
Old Navy Divas.
Old Navy Divas.
Okay, so I haven't heard of that either.
Anyway, this is what we're getting, Old Navy Divas. This is the middle school look.
Show them the flared jeans.
The flare on the leg. Very tight in the top though. Perfect. For Christmas. I love it.
Okay,
Oh
okay.
I heart zombies.
That's a little too horrible. I don't want that in this video.
It's rough. Fleur-de-lis. Again.
I don't know what that is.
Oh my god.
I'm so stupid, Lydia. You don't understand.
Okay. Sorry. Rude. Oh my god. Darion. Do you remember Darion?
No.
Also Fleur-de-lis.
No.
The Beyonce song where she's a single ladies where she's all like something up in the club, some in my Darion jeans.
No. I had no idea what she was saying, and I'm gonna be honest.
Well,
I'm a fake fan.
okay, so at the next store we spent $9, and part of that was a camera thing for Emmy because she's a next friend filming things.
Why?
And then I found these pants that you guys saw that are perfect.
Absolutely vintage. Like,
Yes, like literally the Hot Topic Lovesick brand.
I'm
The
pretty
exact
sure I
pants.
have like a very specific memory of you wearing these to gym class my freshman year of high school.
I wore these all the time. So then we have these plain blue jeans that were very casual, $2, and they are Old Navy, which I love. I always wore Old Navy jeans. It was either Old Navy or Hot Topic, and they have the pale blue look, which was very, very middle school for me, with the wide legs, boot cut. It's perfect. I've said that like 10 times in this video.
We'll keep
And
a
then-
perfect count.
This is not related to any of the outfits, but I just thought it was cool, and it was $4, so we got this green scaly skirt. Next is a Dunkin' Donuts run for a drink because it's hot, and then
It's
we're
literally like 82 degrees here.
yeah, it's super hot, and then we're gonna see if we can find a couple more things at our last store. Yeah.
You're really not gonna go for these vintage yoga pants?
No.
Oh, I was actually recording.
With the lace.
With the lace.
Very and then this shirt with the 1982 because all my clothes are from the 80s. This is the closest we're gonna get.
Okay, you have to look like right here. How can you recreate this? This is your photo.
This video should be me struggling for 10 minutes. Okay.
Can we please just Photoshop the Band-Aid on?
Yeah.
Sippy sippy. Lydia, would you like to tell us what you're doing over there?
Getting some middle school makeup ready. So you see this lacy tank top look with the shirt over it. I always had this tank top, and this shirt was the closest I could do to an actual shirt that I had. I have a few relics from middle school still because they are so iconic. And one of them is this shirt that I literally wore like every day from Hot Topic. Literally wore it every day.
Oh my gosh.
So, here are these gems. These are my actual sneakers from middle school. They were OP. And they still fit me. So, they've got like my initials on them. And, oh really? And tic-tac-toe, an actual game of tic-tac-toe. And the Smosh logo. I was really into Smosh. There's like Anthony underneath there. It's really bad. Oh my god, I don't even know if I can unlace them. They're in rough shape.
They've always been in rough shape.
Yeah. They've got like leopard print on the toes. That's silver and black leopard print. They fit. Shockingly.
Thank God.
I'm gonna tie them up. I didn't double knot my shoes.
That's so specific. You're like too good for it.
Yeah, I didn't double knot my shoes then. Now I do. The way we grow up sometimes. Oh my god.
Glow up.
This one had a lightning bolt because I like Percy Jackson. And this is I was really into 3D letters.
You draw that yourself?
Yeah, I did. These are a look, pants down over them, like this. really iconic. This is the look. I have an optional favorite piece that I swear I'm literally gonna start wearing again because I didn't fit it for a while, but now I do. So it's just really iconic. And I want to show you guys that and show you the final picture with that. So it really actually fits though. That's what I'm living for this.
That is vintage. Please show off that pocket.
From Hot Topic. Like 2000 and... When was I in middle school? 2011?
I would have been 12 and you would have been 13. That would have been your 8th grade.
2010? 2010.
All the way up.
Yeah, that's how I wore it. I always had it zipped all the way up. I either had it unzipped and the sleeves pushed up, or I had it all the way up.
You literally, it looks like one of those like stupid NASCAR racer jackets.
But literally the best part is that I would like tuck the hair in when I put the hood on. And it had the ears.
The full picture.
There. This was a look. I would be like, yo, with the apple on the zipper, the Hello Kitty pocket. I'd be like,
oh yeah, the lace peeking out.
oh yes, the lace peeking out. Yes, this is legit. Look at that. These used to be black. I used to actually wear them like so that it was folded down.
I used to wear, when I wore those, I would wear one down. Like on one foot, I'd wear one down. It was a gay look.
And then this is your shoe because I can't find
Actually, to be fair, those are my mom's shoes.
Alright, well, we're really
I've never put those Converse on.
We're really going for a look.
She bought them and I was like, Keys, I love you, but those are too seen for me to wear. With all the tongues.
Yeah. And one shoe tied up more than the other. Ready.
I was too busy bopping to Panic. But only the first album in Vices.
Listening to I Feel Like Dancing.
No! No, I was not.
That Girl.
About a Girl by The Academy Is.
Oh, I'm chewing the Kit Kat. Don't pause it. Just...
Tastes good?
Yeah. So, let me know down below if I got any of these looks even close to right. And also, if you think I ever am going to get my glow up, or maybe I got my glow up, please be nice. But
just obliterate her on the comment section.
other than that, I feel like some of these looks are bad. Some of them are good. Some of these pieces that I got from the thrift store, I'm actually probably still gonna wear. Definitely not that pink hoodie, but you know, something.
Maybe if it actually gets cold out.
Maybe these pants. These pants.
Well, you have already owned them before.
Yeah, I already own these pants, and then I like gave them away. So I own them again. So yeah. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crafty and ridiculous content. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.
You're really getting heated about that boggy. That bungee thing. I don't know what they're called.
I'm done. Can you get my feet? For all those feet lovers.
Shut up.
Yeah. It's like breathing.
It's so gross.